The OnePlus Watch 2 was a big comeback for the brand in the smartwatch market, and it seems its successor is on the way. The company is working on the OnePlus Watch 3, and it's already passed through the FCC. The certification has revealed the fact that the next OnePlus wearable has a huge 648 mAh battery, which is 29.6% larger than the OnePlus Watch 2's 500 mAh cell. The OnePlus Watch 3 appears to retain the round watch face design with two physical buttons on the right side for user interaction. Design-wise, the wearable looks similar to the OnePlus Watch 2, but it will also offer an inscribed tachymeter bezel and an altered texture on its rubberized strap. The OnePlus Watch 3 shipped with an AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1000 nits. The listing confirms LTE connectivity via eSIM as well as GPS, Wi-Fi, and NFC. Previous rumors surrounding the OnePlus Watch 3 suggests that the watch will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 SoC or possibly the unreleased Snapdragon W5 Gen 2. We continue to wait for official information on the OnePlus Watch 3. It seems the device's unveiling might not be far off. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.